Here's the Magic 8-ball phone. Yeah, it's just what it looks like. It was a toy, it was a gimmick, and I bought it years ago for some disgustingly cheap price, and that's it. It's fully functional. The base, the wire sort of loops into. I set it off by accident. It just loops in there. It doesn't plug into it. There's 3 AA batteries in the base.
Positively, yes.
This does not have an actual 8-ball pyramid or whatever the thing is inside that shows that. It's just the base that does that. There's a little switch right there, and every time you pick it up off the base, it knows and it says something. So we'll go through a few of them.
Chances are good. Now that's a tough one. Ask again. All information points to yes. No doubt about it. Never. Absolutely no. Yes, yes, yes. Now that's a tough one. Ask again.
So it just randomly selects them. Here's the bottom of it. Turn around over here so you can read. You can pause if you'd like to see any of this. There's really not much to see or know. Caution label. It's apparently licensed for Mattel. And of course it is made in China. I'll put the base back. It's kind of annoying because the phone rings, you pick it up, and I'll get to the phone in a second, but then it talks, and then you want to say hello to whoever's calling, and it's kind of a pain. You know, I'm just going to leave the batteries out of it. I just put them in here for just to show you what it does. The phone itself is a clamshell design. It opens up like this. It looks like it's a rotary, but it is touch tone indeed. Okay, redial, flash, there's an LED, and in use, it says. I think it flickers also for the ringer. High or low for the receiver volume, tone and pulse, and the hook switch. You also have your star and pound sign, and otherwise that's it. So let's pick it up. You get the red light. You can hear it. I'll set the switch. Let me reset it. Yeah, it's there. I'll go ahead and call it. I thought the light flashed, but apparently it doesn't. It doesn't need to. I'll make a call with it now. Very hard to hear for whatever reason, especially over the music that's playing, but too bad, sorry. Just for fun, we'll do a pulse dial. I'll dial it and then I'll hit redial, and then you get to watch it pulse. Okay, we'll hit redial. The electronic ringer gets caught up with the pulse tones in there. But let me see if the call is going through. Yep, it's there. It works. The magic 8-ball phone. It's just a plain phone. Nothing special. It's got its stupid gimmicky base. You know, and it does not pick up the line when you open it. You have to physically press the off hook button like that. So that's it. It just sits here and it does its thing, and if a call comes in, I can use it. Yay! Even has a place for you to write stuff in. You'll never see that print again. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.